Hello world, I'm Natalia, your insider in Belarus, and now we are in Minsk and I'm gonna show you one of my favorite places in Minsk, Kastrychnitskaya street. So in this video you will see our street art and cultural hub, former abandoned industrial area, one of the biggest graffiti in Europe, and stay with me and you will know where you can find Brazil Street in Minsk and Hipster's Place. 10 years ago, when my guests were visiting Minsk, they were very fascinated about its beauty. But the most frequent question was about the absence of graffiti and murals in former Soviet city, the city of grey walls and clean streets. At that time, the only one way to express your talent as a street artist was to make graffiti during the night, but next morning it was painted over by the workers of housing and utility service. That was the situation when the city rules were very strict and didn't allow to spoil the view of the city. But nothing stands still, and bright changes happened in this place when Art Street Festival, Ulica Brazil, was initiated and organized here in this street. And from that time, Brazilians and the Belarusian masters could express their talent, could talk to us through their murals. So this festival breathed life to this non-social place. Here we can see a mural telling us about the top of human value, family as a little universe. Look at it. Is it nice? I find it very profound. And here is a Lenin bust. It is not accidentally here because close by we can see the entrance to Minsk machine tool plant, named after Great October Revolution. Mzor, the name of this plant, is one of those few enterprises of former Soviet Union which is engaged into production of heavy machinery tools, constructions for metalworking, manufacture of machinery tools weighing hundreds of tons. Look at this honor roll. Such honor rolls have been used as a motivation tool in former Soviet Union for the best workers. Until now, such honor rolls are quite popular at our state enterprises. Tell me, do you have something like this in your countries? Transformation from industrial area into a cultural hub. This is what happened to this street, starting from Street Art Festival Ulica Brazil. And from that time, this place attracts representatives of creative spheres, photographers, designers, musicians, and artists. You can come here for no reasons, just to walk around, to feel this atmospheric, friendly place, to grab a cup of coffee or to eat yummy pancakes. If you think that it would be nice to live close by this very atmospheric place, you can see that here is a hotel willing. Maybe it can be a nice choice to stay here. It is not an advertising, just the information for you, for your visit. Bolitsa, Brazil Street Art Festival was held here every August, and the idea was to develop culture of street art. And now I'm gonna show you the most impressive mural of this place. So in 2016, the biggest graffiti in the world painted by one person appeared in Minsk. Brazilian master Ramon Martins devoted his work to the protection of animals and nature in general. I love this bison, Belarusian symbol. This is really huge mural. I call it XXL size. But the real size of it is 3,500 square meters. Can you imagine? And he did it just by himself. I am very hungry and need some coffee to warm up. And now we are going to my favorite place in this street. We are going to a cafe with pancakes, to eat some yummy pancakes and coffee. Are you with me? I'm sure it will be very yummy. Well, I feel much better after coffee, and want to tell you that close to this street, Kastrychnitskaya street, there is a metro station named Kastrychnitskaya, so you can reach this place very easy, or take a taxi from the city center. So it's not that far, maybe walking distance, something like 15 minutes from art museum. You will find it, I'm sure. And if you want to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to know about me, click here on this video. So stay tuned and see you soon.